Dear students, now I am going to discuss anaerobic respiration, fermentation, alcoholic fermentation, and lactic acid fermentation. Okay, so first step is first one, glycolysis. Same as it is, copy paste, glycolysis. So during glycolysis, one glucose molecule into two molecules of pyruvic acid. Okay, so here same two molecules of one by one you take. One molecule of ATP, next one more molecule of ATP consumed, same pathway. And two molecules of NADH, only one oxidation. Next, two molecules of ATP, that is SLP1, same process. Two molecules of ATP, SLP, two SLPs only. So this is about glycolysis. So glycolysis is common for both aerobic and anaerobic respirations. So in the textbook, the given statement is, during anaerobic respiration, glycolysis is the only step. That is wrong one. This is not only the step, other steps also present. But follow according to textbook. So step one completed. And second step is fermentation. Fermentation. Fermentation is well known to you. Okay, so here fermentation in our textbook are two types. One is alcoholic fermentation. First one, here I'm taking alcoholic fermentation. Alcoholic fermentation by yeast, Saccharomyces by yeast. Okay, so now what about alcoholic fermentation in yeast? So the end product of fermentation depends on organism and substrate. Here it is alcoholic. Okay, so ethanol is produced. So what are the steps present in alcoholic fermentation? First step is decarboxylation. Decarboxylation. Go back. What about the total number of pyruvic acids? Two. Take those two here. Bring them here. So two molecules of pyruvic acids. The end product of glycolysis. Two molecules of pyruvic acid. So pyruvic acids. Okay. Gives rise two molecules of acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde plus 2CO2, decarboxylation. Only 2CO2. Right? Here, enzyme required is pyruvate decarboxylase. Pyruvate decarboxylase. Pyruvate decarboxylase. So decarboxylation completed. Second reaction, reduction. Okay, so what about the main product of decarboxylation? Acetaldehyde. How many? Two molecules. Take those two molecules here. Two molecules of acetaldehyde, acetaldehyde, and reducing power. This is very, very important. Reducing power, two molecules of NADH. And what about the source of NADH? Two molecules of NADH. Take those two molecules of NADH from there. Two molecules of NADH. Reducing power. See. So to reduce two molecules of pyruvic acids, what about the number of NADH required? 2. Okay, 2 produced, 2 consumed. Net availability of NADH 0. So that reducing power is coming from NADH, right? 2 NADH reducing power is accepted by acetaldehyde. Gives rise alcohol dehydrogenase. Dehydrogenase. Mg2 plus is required. And the product is 2 molecules of C2H5OH, alcohol, ethyl alcohol, plus 2 molecules of NAD plus. Alcoholic fermentation completed. This is a anaerobic respiration in the case of yeast. First glycolysis, fermentation with 2 reactions, decarboxylation, reduction. So here ethyl alcohol is produced. Ethyl alcohol. If the percentage of ethyl alcohol is around 13%, definitely that is able to cause damage of yeast. So yeast cells are subjected to lysis, breakdown, death if the percentage of ethyl alcohol is around 13%, 13%. Okay, so what are the beverages with different alcoholic fermentation, alcoholic beverages? For example, beer. In beer, what about the percentage of alcohol? 5%. With the help of dilution, we will get a 5% alcohol. In the case of a scotch, around 40%. Highest percentage of alcohol in the case of vodka. Vodka with around 60 or 65% alcohol percentage. So absolute alcohol, pure alcohol, 100% alcohol. For example, added with some other solvent, water is added. So now what about the percentage of alcohol? Reduced or not? Okay, so by diluting, we will get a required concentration of alcohol in concerned alcoholic beverage. So there is about fermentation in the case of yeast, alcoholic fermentation. So in this case, what about the total number of ATP produced? Here, energetics, 2 NADH produced, 2 NADH consumed. Net availability of NADH 0. So what about energetics of anaerobic respiration? Energetics. So total number of ATP produced, 4 molecules of ATP produced minus 2 molecules of ATP. So net is 2 molecules of ATP only. 2 ATP only. And what about NADH? 2 produced, 2 consumed. So 2 NADH produced minus 2 NADH consumed. Net availability is 0. So finally, what about the number of ATP molecules available? 2 only. In the textbook, the given statement during anaerobic respiration out of 1 glucose molecule, the amount, the percentage of energy liberated is less than 7% was given. We will calculate that less than 7% after completion of electron transport system only, not now. But remember it. So what about the percentage of energy liberated during anaerobic respiration? The given one is less than 7%. That is actually 6.6 around 6.6 something. Remember this one, less than 7%. We will discuss this value, how to get this one after completion of electron transport system only, not now. So that is about alcoholic fermentation. And next one, second one, wait. Second fermentation given one is lactic acid, lactic acid fermentation. Go back to microbes. That is a lactobacillus, lactobacillus. So here, what about the total number of reactions? Only one reaction. That reaction is reduction only, no decarboxylation. What about alcoholic fermentation? One decarboxylation, 2 CO2. Here, no decarboxylation. Ethyl alcohol is a 2 carbon compound. Okay, so pyruvic acid into acetaldehyde. In alcoholic fermentation, 3C into 2C, 2C into 2C. What is a 3C? Pyruvic acid. Next one, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde into ethyl alcohol. Alcohol is a 2 carbon compound. Acetaldehyde also 2 carbon compound. Pyruvic acid 3 carbon compound. So their decarboxylation is required. So in alcoholic fermentation, decarboxylation is present. Here no decarboxylation, only reduction. So now take 2 molecules of pyruvic acid, 2 molecules of pyruvic acid plus 2 molecules of NADH. And source of NADH, same source coming from there. And enzyme required is lactate or lactic acid, dehydrogenase. Here also Mg2 plus is required. Check your textbook. Okay, so now pyruvic acid is reduced into 2 molecules of lactic acid. This is a 3 carbon compound. This one 3 carbon compound. So no decarboxylation. Here also energy less than 7%. Total ATP produced 4 minus 2 net gain 2 ATP molecules. And what about NADH? 2 produced 2 consume, net availability 0. So the reducing power is coming from NADH produced during glycolysis. Redox potentials 4H plus accepted by pyruvic acid in lactic acid fermentation. In the case of alcoholic fermentation, accepted by acetaldehyde. Okay, so that is about alcoholic fermentation and lactic acid fermentation. This is anaerobic respiration.